Heat 3 Class 1. Sponsored by BP Grassing. So it's Terry Alderson then in Yorkshire 63 and what to start with Terry there. It's looking quicker all the time. It's from the Dave Hobson here. We took 2 wins already today as Dave, so it's a good place to be in front of Dave Hobson today. Terry Alderson seems to be getting the most out of that micro. Nottingham treble 7, Matt Howard runs third. Then I-46 is Martin Stafford. IK711 Lawrence Childers. And Nottingham 49 Tommy Stafford. All down there, but up at the front then Terry Alderton. Pulling ground, if anything, is making more progress. I'm sure Dave Hampson's done enough to be right up there somewhere in the points. He'll be taking the trophy today, I'm fairly sure. So checker flag then. Terry Alderton goes in 63. Dave Hampson takes second. Matt Howard in third. And I was his fourth. IK7.